we're spending a lot of time and money, and we're going to spend a lot of energy on the idea of implementing that type of a system. And so if the disciplines are not there, what we end up with is we end up with a system that actually is worse, because now the software package is essentially transacting, and it's rigid. And so when we're not behaving well as human beings, we're not following the protocol that the company has set up. It's taken over a year to get this done inside of my current HVAC and plumbing company. Previously, it's taken at least 6 to 8 months to do this. Somewhat depends on, how much time you have, how much time you're willing to dedicate to it. But my opinion is that you absolutely need to be there in today's environment. You need to be electronic on your invoicing. You need to be electronic on your sales installation protocol. And all that needs to be tied to a software package. The company will not grow unless you can do more calls more productively. And this is a way to get your technicians to not have to do nearly as much administrative work. And everything is just a little more accurate, and it's a little more focused. And this is how you can then do more calls more productively. And frankly, then that allows you to let the guys get paid better as well. You're going to make more profit. Your gross profit dollars per hour are better.